Hello everyone, my name is Rahim and you're watching my YouTube channel Online Help on YouTube. In this video I will guide you that how can you set alarm on your laptop. That is very easy. Follow the simple steps that I will be explaining in my video. Simply come here and search Windows, type here alrm, click on it, and here you can set alarm time whatever do you want. That is very easy. You can change the sounds of your alarm. That is very easy. You can do it yourself. You can give the name that what is your alarm, namaz time, or good morning, good evening, whatever you want. You can set its name by default. So I hope you will find very helpful this video. If you found my video helpful, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you can get such type of videos regularly. Okay, take care, bye bye.